Okay, in this video, let us find out how to use the quadratic formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So let us understand what is ABC. So I am writing the general form of quadratic equation, which is equal to ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, as you can see, coefficient of x square is called a, coefficient of x is called b, and coefficient of is called c. Now compare this to this equation. Here a is nothing but 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to minus 2. Now plug all the value in this quadratic formula, you will get x is equal to minus of minus b plus minus b square minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c is equal to minus 2 upon 2 into a is equal to 1. If you solve this, you will get 5 plus minus 25 plus 8 minus minus will be plus, so 33 by 2. Okay, now you can see there is the sign of plus and minus. This means that you have to take a value. If you have to take one time plus and second time minus, like this, 5 I am taking plus root 33 by 2. Now the minus 1, x is equal to 5 minus root 33 by 2. So this is our required answer. You cannot solve it by normal Miller-Thomas method or any method. Okay, so in this you have to keep in mind that this value, this is known as d should be greater than equal to 0. If not, root will be complex root, it will be imaginary root. So this is how we use the quadratic formula.